took my first week to go there, and glory to God for this. And you know what brought out the confidence in them? Anyone guess? Yeah, Kat's right. I made them stand up and do the song that you guys just did. And we did the green grass, and now they'd like to do it on a Sunday during the service. And I'm going, don't be silly. No, so they really enjoyed it. And because it was something they could all do together, something they can have fun with, they're really embracing that. Gary Mauga. Yeah, I couldn't do that. I had to come up and enjoy something with you, which is why we did the song. When we did the song, we were relating with each other. Why? Because you guys were smiling. Because there's no such word as jelly as, gel, whatever. But we all enjoyed something together. So I wasn't going to start talking to you just straight out, thinking I know everything. Stand in awe of your cleansing grace.